Welcome to my cybersecurity internship video demo. Today I'll walk you through downloading and installing Kali Linux in VirtualBox, then using Wireshark to capture and analyze network packets. Kali is a Debian-based distro packed with tools for ethical hacking and penetration testing, while Wireshark is essential for network forensics. So one important thing you should note is that you should always use these tools ethically and legally, only on networks or systems you own or have explicit permission for, like your home lab, because violating that could break laws like the CFAA. So we'll keep the hands on or show every click and command, and let's dive in. So you'll visit kali.org. Here, this is the interface. Click on Get Kali. So basically, I have Linux already in my device because Linux is actually very important for every cybersecurity analyst, and I've been using the device rather over time. So I have it already, but right now I'll be walking you through the process on how to get yours without having to install it on my own end because I have it already. So you scroll down to virtual machines. For pre-built images, this is it. This is the installer images. You click here. It's about 4.2 gig. You click it. It's about 3 to 4 gigs, so you have to grab a coffee while it downloads. So you may ask, why VirtualBox? It's actually free and it isolates Kali from your main iOS and is perfect for demos like this. So if I click on this, you will see the download in progress. After that, you want to verify the file's integrity. So you go to your terminal. Let me use command prompt. You make sure you go into the download interface, CD downloads. I'm just trying to show you what to do, but I won't be proceeding because mine is already in my device. Sorry, you have to type it without adding these symbols. So you type CD downloads and then you go into your download folder, which the file is in already, and to confirm the file's integrity, you type SHA-256 some Kali Linux 2025.3 virtual box AMD 64.over. That is the file you downloaded. Then you click enter. Now you're trying to verify the ISO's integrity to ensure that there is no tampering. Once you are done typing this, after navigating to the download, you run this command, then you execute slowly. If you click enter, you will see the hash. Then you now switch to Kali site and compare if it matches. If it doesn't, then you have to re-download. These steps actually prevent supply chain attacks. So now I'll be going to my VirtualBox to show you how to add Linux to your VirtualBox. Here, my Linux is already here with my Metasploitable. Their devices I've been using, their tools I've been using all as well. So you click on, for you that you're trying to add newly, you click on File and then Import Appliance. when you click on import appliance, you select the source where it is, where you are importing it from, the file. If you click here, this is your file explorer. Under the downloads, you will see your Linux. Once you click on it, you click on open, it will import to the VirtualBox. Then settings, you can tweak it to anyhow you want. The machine based folder, you can edit it, just tweak it to anyhow you want, and that is it. You click on import, you watch the import progress. That is all. Once you're done installing your Linux, you click on start. Once you click on start, you wait for it to power up and come up. The interface, the login interface will come up. So this is how the login interface looks like. The default password is Kali and the username is Kali. So you just click enter and wait for it to come up. Yes, so this is our Kali Linux. This is the browser, and this is our interface where you can do anything, input any command. See the download, we are going to the download, and I just do anything I want to do. Echo to write into a command, anything you want. Ping to ping, you can stop pinging. That's Linux, and this is the browser that comes with it, in which you can browse anything. Example.com, and this is it. It comes up immediately. So that is all for Linux rather. That is all for Kali Linux. We'll be proceeding now to Wireshark to show you how it is done and everything that you need to know about it. So stay tuned for that. I'll be proceeding to Wireshark. As we already know, Wireshark is a powerful tool for analyzing network traffic, and I'm currently running it on Kali Linux in my VirtualBox. Kali is actually a go-to for ethical hacking, and Wireshark lets us sniff packets, which is actually perfect for learning network forensics. So firstly, a quick note: only capture traffic on your own network. Unauthorized use is illegal. So now we'll get started. Before diving in, let's verify the network. Okay, so it actually shows ETH 0 with the IP address. So let me check my route. This means that my LAN IP is good. Default via the IP address connected to my Wi-Fi, and I'll be testing for connectivity now, internet connectivity. So ping. Alright, it is capturing. So this is actually means that I'm good to go. So next thing I'll do is to launch my Wireshark, which is already pre-installed in my Linux machine. I'll click enter and allow it to run. Okay, so this is the Wireshark window. Here's the interface: file, edit, view, go, capture, analyze, statistics. All these have its various usages. So right now, let me increase my brightness a bit. Okay, so right now I'll be using ETH0 for capturing live traffic. So I double click on this. Did I double click? Okay, they will click on it and wait for it to start capturing. So you see the packets are already rolling in. I'll still give it some time because I know that this is definitely not all the data packets, so it will keep rolling in. Yeah, it is still rolling. We are at 12 now. I will still give it like let's say a minute for it to continue coming up. So while it is still rolling in, you watch the capture. Each line is actually a packet. As you can see, the columns, we have the time, we have source, we have destination. This is the source this is the time stamp, the source IP address, the destination IP address. Sorry, let me make this to be full. Full screen. Yes, so you can see it is still capturing. We at 57 data packets have been captured so far. So now I want to see only traffics from HTTP, because as you can see, this protocol, we have TCP, ARP, TLS, lots of them. So I just want it to be okay. Let it be TCP alone. So we type TCP, and as you can see, the protocol here changes to just TCP alone. Likewise, if I want to search HTTP, likewise I want to check the DNS, that's the domain name system. You see, this is how hackers or analysts trace activity. So we are going to be digging into the DNS packet. I'll try to check more details. So I'll right click on follow UDP. Okay, so this is it. This is the raw query. You can't crack this up. This is actually the raw query. So I'll go back to my Wireshark. This is it, the UDP stream. So from here you can see the domain name, the UDP, which is the source port is port 53, while this is the destination port, the timestamps, the time since first frame and since the previous frame. So all these are what make Wireshark to be peculiar, or I don't know if to use the word spectacular, because this tool actually helps us to capture traffic, and this is very, very helpful in cybersecurity industry. So that is all I'll be doing for this particular task. That's the basics for Wireshark: the launch, the capture, the analyze, the filter over here, statistics, telephony. Wireshark's a skill for network security, and it's best to practice them on our VM or our home setup. So that is all for now. Thank you for watching my demo, and continue to stay safe out there. Practice safe security always. Thank you. Bye.